Good morning, everyone. In this class, we are going to discuss about environmental hazards and disasters. Okay, now what is an environmental hazard? The source defines environmental hazards as extreme events and substances which are in the earth and its ecological systems that create several consequences. Okay, natural events includes natural disasters such as earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and flooding. These are inherent events within the earth system. These are natural events. Okay, on the other hand, human-made agents or man-made agents and activities includes toxic chemical, biological, or physical agents and pollution originating from human activity in areas like industry, agriculture, and transportation. Now, there are 5 key types of hazards. Physical hazards, hazards caused by agents such as heavy metals and pesticides. Chemical hazards, hazards that affect living organisms through chemical action causing significant damage. Biological hazards, hazards that create infections and diseases caused by pathogens. Social hazards, hazards arising from social structures and conditions that impact well-being. Cultural practice, hazards stemming from specific cultural norms, traditions, or common practices. Okay, the root causes. What are the root causes of natural hazards? Okay, key drivers of environmental hazards are arbitrary land use policies, like it can halt land cultivation and negatively affect natural resources. Defective agricultural policies, a primary source of land pollution and topsoil degradation. Transport and vehicle pollution, a surge in private vehicles leads to higher pollution rates. Unplanned construction and urbanization increase air pollution and traps solar radiation, making areas warmer. Deforestation reduces oxygen balance, alters rain patterns, and increases pollution. Population explosion leads to an alarming increase in the amount of waste generated. Okay, these are some basic drivers of environmental disaster or environmental hazards. These are human activities. Okay, the closer look: deforestation and vehicular pollution. The impact of deforestation, health ecosystem and deforested area. Okay, reduce the balance of oxygen in the atmosphere, negatively affects and alters established rain patterns, contributes to an overall increase in pollution, represents a direct loss of vital natural resource. The impact of vehicular pollution, a tremendous surge in private vehicles is a primary contributor, leads to the formation of smoke, a major health hazard. Specific chemical components include hydrocarbons, directly cause health issues such as conjunctivitis. Okay, the consequences for plant and people. Okay, what are the consequences of natural hazards? Okay, degradation of natural systems like land and soil degradation, water degradation, atmospheric degradation. Land and soil degradation, continuous pollution from pesticides such as DDT, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, leads to degraded soil quality and widespread land pollution. Stops the viability of land from cultivation. Water degradation, runoff from polluted land and industrial waste contaminates rivers and lakes. Harmful chemicals can seep into groundwater, affecting drinking water sources, disrupts aquatic systems, and harms wildlife. Atmospheric degradation, pollutions from transport, industry, and unplanned construction, formation of smoke and contamination of air with harmful chemicals, contributes to acid rain and broader climate change. The human cost impacts on human society. Adverse health outcomes, exposure to hazards leads to a wide range of negative health events and decreases overall human well-being. Disease from agriculture, harmful chemicals and pesticides like DDT used for faster crop growth can enter the food chain, creating disease among human beings. Impact on the workforce, environmental hazards have diverse and disruptive effects on working fields and the employees within them. Okay, hazards in focus, tangible examples: disease causing microorganisms, chemical in consumer products, landfill overpopulation, heavy metals, toxic waste like this. These are some hazards in focus. These are some tangible examples of hazards. Okay, environmental hazards, a synthesis: 5 key types: physical, chemical, biological, social, and cultural. Physical hazards, chemical hazards, biological hazards, social hazards, and cultural hazards. The primary causes of natural hazards are unplanned construction, deforestation, vehicular pollution, agricultural policies. There are some key consequences like land water degradation, atmospheric pollution, adverse human health, and specific examples of hazards: toxic waste, pesticides, heavy metals, and radiations. Okay, understanding environmental hazards is the first step in assessing risks, shaping policy, and building a more resilient future. That's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.